Welcome back for Inktober Day 2. Here you see a severed tentacle from a dog toy, which is the inspiration for this piece. I'm going to use the purpley pinkish fuchsia color later on. So once again, I am using a Sharpie pen for the thicker lines and the bolder shapes and shadows, and a Faber-Castell extra small for the finer details and some of the pointillism or dots as part of the shading. All in all, this one took about an hour to complete. Well, that's not including the time I had to stop and look for another camera battery and the camera battery charger. But that's just how it goes. I really enjoyed working on this piece, getting sort of the finer details in the shading with the pointillism, again, or the tiny little dots. It's a good and simple way to kind of manipulate shape and detail with, again, not a lot of material or effort. And overall, I really like how it turned out. Once again, so here is that color, and that marker there is just a Faber-Castell grip color marker. I think it's technically a student set. You can get them relatively inexpensive off of Amazon. And I just wanted to add a little bit of that fuchsia sort of color to the tentacle itself. Oh, once again, switching to the fox mug. Again, these are the same cheap watercolors as you saw before, and just adding a little bit of color, give it some pop. And there you have it, the completed piece. All I did was extend the drawing onto the mat without any color, and just to kind of show how it looks without the color added to it, so you can see some of those finer details. Once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Happy Inktober.